Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. And one of the things I'm really excited about doing over the course of August is I've created a bunch of short mini courses that we're going to be using to teach really micro content on our own platform that I'm going to start sharing some of this content on YouTube as well. And these are little morsels of marketing magic, I think, that will help those of you who are starting to launch your own web consultancies or digital media brands really come up with some interesting and creative ideas for leveraging inexpensive tools, tech, software, and services to 10x your output, your audience, your impact, and ultimately your income on a bootstrap budget. So, it's no surprise that I'm a big fan of Card as a low or no code tool. But one of the things that people in our little client community have been interested in is selling services to realtors. If you're paying attention to the world at large these days, you know that real estate is just exploding in terms of just in terms of everything actually. And realtors right now are in this kind of interesting uh, kind of dichotomy of being like really highly in demand, or real estate in general is really highly desire. People really want to buy homes right now, and prices are really skyrocketing. But there's all of this competitive juice that's happening in the realty space that provides a genuine opportunity for marketing folks like us to step in and serve with unique, innovative, and smart strategies that really actually make a difference in our clients' lives. So I created this short course on using Card to sell services to realtors. You can actually, the course is free. You can actually get it here. It's really simple, and it just walks you through a very minimalistic approach to doing outreach and downloading a couple free themes, and then actually upselling an example higher end service that you can use to really make a full-time income very, very quickly if this is an approach that is appropriate for you. So if you're interested, you can click on the link below and you'll have access to the free course. You don't have to sign up for anything. There's no opt-in, anything like that. It's just a very simple strategy that I'm trying to capture in a, kind of very condensed um, presentational format. And I'm going to be doing one of these a day all through August. We have a bunch of micro courses coming, and some of them I'll be posting on YouTube. Some of them you have to actually be part of our community, our private community to access. But either way, this is free. And if you're interested in watching it or interacting with the content and the cards, you can do so at the link below. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.